Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node.js and an initialized NPM project plus Firebase project access. Create a service account in Firebase and download the JSON key. Keep it secure. Once done, install Firebase admin and Firebase tools so you can authenticate server-side. Next, export Google application credentials to point at the key or load it via path. Make sure to set the project ID consistently. This avoids silent failures when initializing the SDK. Once initialization is complete, you write the core endpoint that verifies client tokens. Using Express, read the authorization, bearer ID token header and pass that token to admin. Auth, verify ID token. This returns a decoded token with UID and custom claims. Use those for auth logic and role checks. If you need session cookies, create them from the ID token with create session cookie. Otherwise, set secure HTTP-only cookies. Make sure to catch and translate verification errors. To finish, implement flows. Create custom token for service-driven sign-ins, or use ID tokens from client SDKs and optionally exchange for session cookies. Store cookies with secure and HTTP-only flags and set reasonable max age. Once done, protect routes by validating tokens server-side and enforce role-based access from custom claims. If something breaks, first verify server clock, project ID, and service account permissions. Those are common causes. If errors persist, log error. Code from verify ID token to pinpoint issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.